Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in this tutorial I will show you how to draw in Notion. This is actually pretty simple and straightforward, just follow my steps. So first step is to create a new page and name it drawing page. Now simply go over to onlineboard.eu and create your account. Here you can use it to draw, and in order to implement into Notion, just click on share and then copy your link. You can close this, go back to your drawing page and just paste the link with Command V. Now click on embed and this will embed this table, this whiteboard to your Notion. And here simply you can make it bigger if you want to and simply start creating. So you can draw anything you want. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.